This is going to be tiring, man. What's worse is I feel like shitting. Where am I supposed to go? Am I in the right lane? I don't know, whatever. I think I'm on the wrong way, wrong lane, I think. Can't really talk right now as I have to concentrate on this shit. Holy shit, look at the jam, man. I can't tell whether this is rush hour traffic or everybody is just trying to balik kampung before midnight, before the border closes. Anyways, I'm actually on my way to, whoa, Ford Mustang, siao. It's something you don't see every day. Yeah, where was I? I'm actually on my way to Cyrus right now to meet up with this girl whom I met on Tinder just like a couple of weeks ago. Wow, another Mustang. Where was I? I got distracted, sorry. Yeah, let me just start all over again. I am on my way to Cyrus right now to meet up with this girl whom I just met from Tinder like a couple of weeks ago. And tonight is only going to be our second meeting, so hopefully it all goes well. Hopefully it doesn't turn out awkward or anything like that. It's a very last minute plan that I made like last night at 2 AM in the morning, because I thought since tomorrow, the 14th of October, MCO 2.0 is going to be implemented once again. So since today will be everybody's last day to go out and have fun and do whatever they want, might as well I make use of the day and, you know, just go out and do something lah before MCO is implemented again. But I had no plans. I mean, like I didn't know where to go or anything like that. I just told her that I feel like riding, but I have no destination to go to. And she was like, I want to ride the motorcycle too. And I'm like, are you sure? And she said, yeah, why not? I've never ridden a motorcycle before. I've never sat on one. I've never sat on one before. It will be a good experience, blah blah blah. And I'm like, okay lah, why not? Where are we going to? I have no idea. So for now, I'm just gonna go to her place to pick her up, and then we'll see from there. But she actually mentioned earlier that she has a place that she wants to bring me to go to, but she doesn't want to tell me where it is. After asking her several times, she still didn't want to tell me where she's gonna bring me. So I don't know, we'll see. But I suspect, for some reason, it might be Putrajaya. That Putrajaya RGB bridge. I don't know what bridge you call that, but I assume you guys know what bridge I'm talking about. But who knows? We'll see. I need to pee though. I might need to shit too. What a good timing. Walao, the traffic so bad for so long already. Oh shit. Oh my god, can I go through? Holy shit. Their knees were like almost touching the rail. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. I do not think this is rush hour traffic. I think it's definitely balik kampung traffic. I don't know, I'm just assuming. I may be wrong. My eyes are literally scanning each and every single car, whether or not I can squeeze through. Can I? Wait. Excuse me, what you doing, I hate this road because of this. Just imagine if I were to drive. I'll be stuck here for like at least 2 hours. Crazy, man. This is why y'all Malaysians should freaking ride motorcycles. Finally my bike can breathe. Siapa rev bomb? You rev bomb untuk apa? Oh, must be that fella lah, taking the emergency lane. Hiya! Already jam? You people make it more jam. Just kidding. Is that a light bulb right behind his helmet? Never seen such thing before. Wow, even his suspension got lights here.